This is Danette Brannin from Mason Transit, and I'm here to talk about our vehicle replacement grant. And along with me is Marshall Krier, our vehicle maintenance manager. And so today we'd like to just talk about the need for vehicle replacement and why we're requesting this grant. First, the vehicles in this grant will serve in county as well as out of county, and they serve our dial-a-ride service as well. We are mostly looking to be able to keep our state of good repair, and I will have Marshall talk about our state of good repair shortly, and to ensure reliable transportation by having vehicles that are new and that are also environmentally friendly. We do serve a lot of underserved areas as well as the elderly, the disadvantaged, and most importantly, transit relying riders. It's important that we have reliable transit vehicles for that, so that they can be ensured that they will have services that they need when they need them. One of the most important things about our grant is that we do serve countywide, and it does take a lot of effort and a lot of vehicles at times to serve into the remote areas of our rural population. So we really look to have vehicles that are new and are in good repair, and that we can be sure that we can meet those needs. Part of our project here also is including our match, and we are matching 25% of this project with our local funds. And we have designated the money already set aside should we be successful in receiving these grant funds. So as I mentioned, one of the things that Mason Transit has is a state of good repair goal of 80%. And I'm going to turn it over to Marshall now to talk about our state of good repair.
Okay, thanks, Danette. Yeah, and reiterate what Danette has said here. We do want to provide safe and reliable vehicles for our public, and that'll meet all of our transportation needs. And our vehicles, they do serve all of Mason County. So, we go into really remote areas up by the Olympic Mountains. We head up into Bremerton, out of county, Olympia. So they do put a lot of miles on in serving our public. Now we talk about our state of good repair goals. Currently, we're reaching for 80% of state of good repair. If we're awarded this grant, this will meet and slightly exceed our state of good repair goal for now and well into the future because of the potential for reduced funding sources down the road. We don't know quite where it's all going at this point. And we know eventually we're going to get out of COVID, and then our ridership and our service levels will greatly increase. And we've got to make sure we have these vehicles ready to go when that occurs. We also want to have reduced maintenance costs, good reliability. We want to provide our passengers a pleasant riding experience with nice new modern equipment. We also want vehicles that meet current emission standards. And so that'll help our environmental requirements as well.
Thank you for that, Marshall. And so as we said, we are seeking a vehicle replacement grant for one 35-foot coach and 6 cutaway vehicles. And we look forward to having a great response, and we appreciate your time. Thank you.